Have you ever dreamt of becoming the richest person in the world? Would you like to know about the life and struggles of the richest man in the world? If yes, then you are in the right place. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel where you learn about various personalities. By now, you may have gotten an idea about whom we are going to discuss in today's video. Yes, he is Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon and the richest man on earth. You must be thinking, what about him? Everyone knows everything about him. Maybe that's why you should watch this video to the end to find out everything you missed on knowing about Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos was born in New Mexico, United States on January 12, 1964. His mother was a high school teacher, and his adoptive father was a Cuban immigrant. You will be amazed to know that he never met his biological father. Jeff Bezos always had a knack for doing something in the world. In high school, he developed a Dream Institute. The institute promoted creative thinking in young students. He did his graduation from Princeton University with degrees in electrical engineering and computer science. Like every other person in his 20s, after completing his studies, he became a part of the corporate world. Based on his skills and potential, he soon became the vice president of the company where he was working. In that company, he was dealing in the finances sector, where he found that investing in the internet is growing these days, and the profit rate was proliferating around 2,300%. In 1994, at the age of 30, he resigned from a reputable job from which he was earning a handsome salary to start Amazon. In the initial years of Amazon, Jeff Bezos' parents helped him financially to invest in the company. You will be amazed to know the first Amazon office was set up in Jeff Bezos' parents' garage. After resigning, he started making the software, and Amazon, in the beginning, was a virtual bookstore. The first book from his store was sold in 1995. Jeff Bezos was criticized for destroying retail bookstores' business as more and more people started buying books online at Amazon. With the growing sale of books, they eventually expanded the Amazon office to a 2-bedroom house equipped with 3 Sun Micro stations. The initial success of the company was terrific. Amazon.com sold books across the United States and in 45 foreign countries within 30 days. And that too without any help of press promotions or any considerable investment in marketing. In 2 months, sales reached $20,000 a week. The growth was enormous and beyond expectation for Jeff and the employees. Amazon.com went public in 1997, leading many market analysts to question whether the company could hold its own when traditional retailers launched their own e-commerce sites. 2 years later, the startup kept up and outpaced competitors, becoming an e-commerce leader. Bezos didn't stop there. He continued to diversify Amazon's offerings with the sale of CDs and videos in 1998. Later, the brand introduced clothes, electronics, toys, and many other things to the site through significant retail partnerships. Many websites were started and made public in the 90s when people tried to make a mark on the internet. Many among those companies didn't even survive for a year, but Amazon, on the other hand, was ruling the internet and was reaching almost every mobile phone and every house. Amazon's growth was once recorded as $510,000 in 1995, flourished to over $17 billion in 2011. As part of Bezos' 2018 annual shareholder letter, the media tycoon said the company had surpassed 100 million paid subscribers for Amazon Prime. By September 2018, Amazon was valued at more than $1 trillion, the second company to ever hit that record just a few weeks after Apple. Though the company was doing well in figures, the employees working in Amazon were not satisfied with their salary and work conditions. They protested for a hike, and during the protests, some of the employees said that the measure used by Amazon to produce and to deliver them are harmful to the environment. In answer to which, Jeff Bezos announced that Amazon would soon become carbon neutral. After many accusations and protests, at the end of 2018, Amazon announced it was raising the minimum wage for its workers to $15 per hour. The company has still been criticized for its working conditions and grueling pace, with workers protesting during Prime Day in July 2019. Even after facing such protests, the growth of Amazon is untouched. It is growing in numbers because it has been successful in providing its customers with all the facilities. There are many unique products and facilities available on Amazon. Number 1. Kindle e-reader. Amazon released the Kindle, a handheld digital book reader that allowed users to buy, download, read, and store their book selections in 2007. Number 2. Whole Foods. Bezos had been eyeing the food delivery market, and in 2017, Amazon announced it had acquired the Whole Foods grocery chain for $13.7 billion in cash. The company began offering in-store deals to Amazon Prime customers and the grocery delivery in as little as 2 hours, depending on the market. As a result, Walmart also began offering meal delivery to its customers. Number 3. Amazon drones. In early December 2013, Bezos made headlines when he revealed a new experimental initiative by Amazon called Amazon Prime Air, using drones to provide delivery services to customers. He said these drones would be able to carry items weighing up to 5 pounds and be capable of traveling within a 10-mile distance of the company's distribution center. You'll be amazed to know that Amazon was once sued for using customers' personal information to grow their company. When Jeff Bezos was asked if this accusation was confirmed during the trial, he didn't answer yes or no. Well, he didn't even deny the allegations. In 2000, Bezos founded Blue Origin, an aerospace company that develops technologies to lower space travel costs to make it accessible to paying customers. For a decade and a half, the company operated quietly. In 2016, Bezos made it public by inviting reporters to visit the headquarters in Kent, Washington, just south of Seattle. He described a vision of humans not only visiting, but eventually colonizing space. In 2017, Bezos promised to sell about $1 billion in Amazon stock annually to fund Blue Origin. 2 years later, he revealed the Blue Origin moonlander and said the company was conducting test flights of its suborbital New Shepard rocket, which would take tourists into space for a few minutes. In August 2019, NASA announced that Blue Origin was among 13 companies selected to collaborate on 19 technology projects to reach the Moon and Mars. Blue Origin is developing a safe and precise landing system for the Moon and engine nozzles for liquid fuel rockets. The company is also working with NASA to build and launch reusable rockets from a refurbished complex just outside of NASA's Kennedy Space Center, where Amazon was growing and handling accusations simultaneously. Bezos and Mackenzie Tuttle announced their divorce in January 2019. The reason for divorce was Bezos' affair with another woman. Divorce of the World's Richest Man was the most expensive award, which made Mackenzie Tuttle the richest woman. Here we come to the end of this video in which we talked everything about Jeff Bezos. Which part of Jeff Bezos' life inspired you? Let us know in the comments section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, shop well. If you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.